Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify promo APR end dates on Citi detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify promo APR end dates on your Citi account, begin by logging into your Citi online banking account. Visit the official Citi website and enter your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the home page. Click on it to view your credit card accounts. Select the specific credit card for which you're checking the promo APR. In the account overview, look for the section detailing your current promotions. This section may be labeled as special offers or promotional rates. Click on this section to expand and view more details. Here, you will find information about any active promo APRs. Look for the end date listed next to the promotional rate. If the information is not visible, check if there's a link for View More Details or Terms and Conditions. In case you do not find the details online, consider contacting Citi customer service. You can find the customer service number on the back of your credit card. Alternatively, use the chat feature available on the Citi website for instant assistance. Be prepared to verify your identity when speaking with a representative. Request clarification about your promo APR and its end date. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, make a note of the promo end date. Understand how this date affects your future payments and interest rates. Regularly check your account for updates on promotional rates in the future. Staying informed can help you manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.